Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to connect to a Windows shared folder on a Mac OS. Click Go, click Connect to Server. Type shared Windows IP address. Click Connect to continue. Click Connect to continue. Type Windows username and password. Click Connect to continue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.